Okay, I have an amazing routine to share with you today, and you may have heard of the phrase, birds of a feather flock together. So what I have here is I have the aces representing birds of a single color. The twos represent birds having two different feather colors. Here, 3 different colors and 4 different feather colors. Okay, so we'll go ahead and just turn each of these face down just like that. And let's go ahead and just stack these. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and just deal these out in kind of a haphazard way, as you can tell here. Okay, and now I need you to tell me how to pick these up. Bottom right, top left, top right, bottom left. Okay, very good. At this point, I'm going to give it something called a Charlier shuffle. Now, this is optional. If you'd like to do this as the performer, that's great. I'll add a link in the description below to the Charlier shuffle. Okay, and as you can tell, it's a very messy shuffle. But more importantly, I need you to come in here, cut the packet wherever you would like, complete the cut. Okay, and pick up the cards. Now we're going to look at the color number for the bird. Okay, so here it's 2. So for each color for the feathers of that bird, we're going to move 1 card to the bottom. So I move 2 cards to the bottom. And then at this point, I'm going to deal out the cards in kind of a crazy way like this. Now I'll go ahead and do an optional Charlier shuffle, if you'd like to do this. More importantly, I need you to come in here and cut the packet wherever you would like, complete the cut. Okay, so what color number did you bring? Oh, okay, so birds of a single color. Move 1 to the bottom. Okay, let's go ahead and just deal those out again. Give it a Charlier, just like that. Can you randomly cut the packet to any location, complete the cut? What color number do we have? 2. Okay, so 1, 2. Okay, we'll just deal out the cards in this crazy way. It's going to be hard to Charlier shuffle the packet as it gets smaller. Can you come in here and just cut wherever you'd like? Right there? Okay, very good. Let's take a look at the color. Oh, it's a 1 again, so 1. We'll deal it out just like that. Okay, very good. Believe it or not, we're done here. So let me go ahead and tidy up these piles of little birds here. And then I actually do have a written prediction off to the side. So let's take a look at that. Okay, what did I think would happen despite all of the random choices that you made? Okay, see, the top bird on each pile will have a different number of feather colors. Okay, so what does that mean? So I think it means, like, if I have a 4 here, this is birds having 4 different color feathers. This can't appear on any of these others. So I have 4, 2, okay, that's different than 4. Ace, okay, that's just 1, represents a bird of a single color. And then 3, you did it. That's amazing. So, yep, we satisfied that just perfectly. We have 4 different birds of 4 different numbers of feather colors. So, oh, there's more. The same is true for the bottom birds. So the bottom of these piles, I'm assuming that's what that means. So let's just take a look here. Okay, so you got 4, 2, that's different. Oh, an ace, of course, is different from a 4 and a 2, as is 3. Check that out. That is amazing. The same is true for the bottom birds. Oh, there's even more. And it's all because birds of a feather flock together. Okay, wow. I wonder what's that. Oh, wait a second. Okay, I'm getting the bigger picture. Every single bird of the right number of colors have truly flocked together. Check that out. How in the world did you pull that off? You are the most amazing card cutter and card stacker I've ever met. Okay, well, if you do everything that I've shown you here, this will work perfectly. I'll add a write-up in the description below talking about the steps, any subtleties to be aware of, and some of the mathematics driving it. But as is, this will work perfectly for you. And if you'd like to perform the Charlier Shuffle and don't know how to do it, take a look at the link in the description below. And I will also add a link to videos using what I've used here, which is the generalized Australian Shuffle. If you want to see other performances using this powerful idea of reading the value of the top card and then moving that number of cards to the bottom and then dealing off some number of the top cards from there. So thank you for watching, and take a look at other videos on the Absolute Math Magic channel.